Damian Hunt hounded. Great strip of the puck by Passion. He scores! There's some passion to give the Wolves a 1-0 lead. Back behind the net, Stromwall leads it off, and Green, 2 shots, rebound, they score! Ryan Suzuki. Rossi back into the offensive end. Behind the net, Walker. Laughed off at the line for Hicketts. Wrist or tip, they score. Rossi with the redirect out in front. And they start with a face-off win from Drury. Lagesson got it from Lajoie and gives it back to the captain. Lajoie's wrists are just missed. Gunler trying off the backboard. He scores! The home carom for Gunler, and the Wolves lead 3-1. They score! Perlini off the bar and in. Hicketts floats it towards the net, and it comes off the backward. Sawchenko stretches back, it goes in. And Drury wins it back. Lagesson fires it ahead, hit Fogarty. Drury gets a couple tries at it, and he comes up ice. Goes to Melnick. Melnick for the empty net, waits, now shoots. He scores! A shorty for Melnick, and an assist to Jack Drury.